I'm here with Major Amanda Nelson and Major Sarah Olson, aerial reconnaissance weather officers with the Air Force Hurricane Hunters. Let's see what they do inside the C-130.
Right, so we are walking along the WC-130J right now, and sometimes we get some questions about how this is different than a normal C-130J. So the W stands for weather. The only thing that's really different about this plane from other C-130Js is it's got the additional weather sensors that we use to gather our data, and we also have some external fuel tanks that allow us to fly longer in the storm environment. This is where the meteorologist sits on board, and we are directing the hurricane mission, trying to find the exact center of the hurricane. And while we're going through, we're flying at 10,000 feet, and we are dropping dropsondes in the eye wall and in the eye to measure the max wind speed and the minimum sea level pressure. And Sarah has the dropsonde right here. This is the dropsonde here, about the size of a paper towel tube. I like to tell people that you can think about this as a weather balloon in reverse. It collects vital information about wind speed, pressure, temperature, humidity, and it drops out of this tube right here. We work in collaboration. The weather officer sits there, the loadmaster sits here, and they are the ones that actually release this sonde. We drop about 20 of these per storm, and then that data is transmitted back to us where we QC it as the weather officers, and then it goes off to the Hurricane Center to then improve the forecasts.
The Air Force Hurricane Hunters focus on center-fixing tropical cyclones, meaning they help the National Hurricane Center figure out exactly where the center of circulation of the hurricane is located, which is sometimes a challenge, especially for weaker storms that don't have an eye. This then improves the track forecast, which we use at the Weather Prediction Center to fine-tune our rainfall forecast and flash flood risk ahead of the storm.